Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with PenFed Credit Union. Review my usage experience. PenFed Credit Union offers a wide range of financial services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and mortgages. They primarily target military members, veterans, and their families, but they're also open to the general public. Key features include competitive interest rates, low fees, and a robust online banking platform. Their website, PenFed.org, provides details on all their services. PenFed emphasizes its member-focused approach, offering benefits like financial education resources and personalized service. They highlight competitive rates compared to traditional banks, and advertise no hidden fees or unfair terms on many of their products. While not relying on a specific technology like 5G, they do emphasize their digital banking capabilities. You can check eligibility for membership directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using PenFed Credit Union. Getting started was straightforward. I applied for a checking account and savings account online, and the process was quick and easy. The website was user-friendly, and I had no trouble navigating the application. Within a few days, I received confirmation that my accounts were open. I've primarily used their online banking platform and mobile app to manage my accounts. The interface is intuitive and well-designed. I can easily transfer funds, pay bills, and view my transaction history. The mobile app is particularly convenient, allowing me to deposit checks, manage my debit card, and access my accounts on the go. The performance has been excellent. Transactions are processed quickly, and I haven't experienced any technical issues. I did have a quick question about a transaction, and their support responded within a few hours via email with a helpful and clear answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to quickly get an overview of my finances. The standout feature for me was definitely the mobile check deposit, which saves me trips to the branch. One minor drawback was the limited number of physical branches, which isn't a big issue for me since I primarily bank online. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with PenFed Credit Union. They offer competitive rates, a user-friendly platform, and excellent customer service. That's my overview of PenFed Credit Union. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.